Hi, I am Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Sugar, if it is too high, it kills you slowly, and if it is too low, it kills you instantly. So if you are diabetic, you should know how to tune your sugar levels every day. And tuning your sugar level is certainly not a difficult task. If you eat right kind of food and if you exercise regularly, you can surely lead a very normal and a healthy life. So on that note, I'll be sharing my today's recipe, which is sweet potato halwa. Well, festival is round the corner and each and everyone is hogging sweets. So why diabetic should be deprived of that? So with that thought, I have come up with this recipe. And though it is a potato, it is sweet, it is still highly recommended for diabetics. Sweet potato is a carbohydrate, but it has so many other good things that it makes it a super food for people suffering from diabetes. So I would give you one tip here, that if you're making this halwa, please don't use any sweetener, because sweet potato has its own sweetness. And if you choose right kind of potatoes, like with the purple skin, they're really very sweet. You won't feel the need of adding any sweetener. But again, if you like little more sweet, you can go ahead using stevia. So on that note, I would share the recipe. Please watch the video. Thank you so much. So here comes sweet potato halwa. It's very tasty, and this festive season, when all your family members are enjoying dessert, you can also join them. So it's a very simple recipe. Do try it out and give me your feedback, and of course please click on my picture to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen for more such healthy recipes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed.